It is early September, and a quick glance at the weather forecast tells me that these might be the last 2 days of real summer here in Denmark. So despite all of the work and preparations that I need to do before my vacation to Norway this week, I decided to take a couple of evenings off to enjoy and get most out of these beautiful warm days of late summer. And then it struck me that it is at times like these that tiny living actually makes the most sense. When one has the opportunity and privilege to harvest the fruits of your labor, not only in a literal sense by harvesting the berries in the garden, but also by taking out the time, when needed, to pull the plug and just be with yourself and in the moment. Because by living tiny and very affordable, one can, in a way, exchange money for time, at least in the sense that money saved is also time gained, because I can afford to spend less time earning money and more time just living my life. I only remember too well how it was back when I worked at the office all day and had the feeling that the more money I earned back then just didn't make up for the life that I felt was slipping through my fingers as I stared at that blue monitor. Now life looks a little different. At least when I realize it, since I too easily get caught up in all the work that is needed to live more self-sufficiently, but at least the work that I do now feels much more meaningful. The good life doesn't just come by itself, you still need to make room for it. So tonight me and Borsimat will go exploring some of the vast forests of the area where we live. And also go for a hike in a very beautiful national park in the area. Because of my forthcoming journey to Norway, this will be a short video though, but I hope you enjoy it anyways. See you again next time.